I am Rakesh Yadav, an optometrist from Maldives. Today I am going to define about the low vision and categories of the low vision. Low vision, according to the WHO, the low vision has the two definitions. One is working and one is for care and service. Let's talk about the care and definition. Let's talk about the definition of care and service. A person with low vision is one who has impairment of visual functioning even after the treatment and standard refractive correction, and the visual acuity less than 6/18 to PL, perception of light, and our visual acuity visual field less than 10 degree from the point of fixation, but use or potentially able to use the vision for planning and or execution of tasks for which the vision is necessary. This all about the care and service definition. This means if the person has the visual acuity less than 6/18 to perception of light, it's all come under the working that's all come under the low vision. Care and service definition means it's broad categories of the patient can come under this vision patient, so that is the care and service definition. But the working definition is not like that. I am going to tell about the working definition. For working definition, the visual acuity of the patient is less than 6/18 to equal to or better than 3/60. 3/60 best correction with the standard refractive correction. We have to that the visual acuity is 6/18, less than 6/18 to equal to or better than 3/60 with best corrective refractive with best standard refraction. With best corrective vision is that one. With the better eye, so vision is with the better eye, the vision is less than 6/18 to equal to or greater than 3/60. 3/60. It is the working definition. It's not so for working definition, the limited patient will only come under the low vision. For as you go for the care and service, the broad numbers of patient or many patient come under that, so we can give the service for for WHO the service. For the care and service definition, it's more patient will be come under the low vision. Let's classify the low vision. According to the international classification of disease, there are 5 types of total classification. One is less than 6/18 to equal to or greater than 6/60. It's one definition or one categories, and another one is less than 6/60 to equal to or greater than 3/60, or these two are the low vision. For blindness, less than 3/60 to equal to or greater than 1/60, or visual field is between 5 degree to 10 degree from the point of fixation. It's come under the blindness. And again one category is it is a less than 1/60 to PL, on visual field less than 5 dB, and last one is blindness no PL. So you know there is 2 low vision categories or 3 blindness categories. This is all about the low vision definition and categories. If you have any queries related to this low vision, you must ask me in the comment. I am happy to reply that. Thank you for watching this video.